Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme Neo 7X keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After close all the background apps, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, app, everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.